For many people that do not know, it was recently confirmed that, well, Xbox and Discord are working together to bring something special for a lot of gamers. And well, it has just been confirmed officially today, by the time of recording, that Discord and Xbox now have a partnership with some unique benefits for both Discord users and Xbox users. So let's talk about it. At first, let's talk about what was announced from Discord's side. Now, if you are currently someone that is using Discord Nitro, which obviously is their own membership, you can now get Game Pass included. Now, the Game Pass that is included with Discord Nitro is going to be a starter version of Xbox Game Pass that will be accessible on PC or console. So yes, you are technically getting access to Xbox Game Pass on either your console or on your PC system. Now, to specify the amount of games you can have access to with this version of Xbox Game Pass is about 50 titles. You also be getting up to 10 hours of Xbox Cloud gaming per month, which isn't a bad amount actually. Now, this will be included with a version of Discord Nitro, and do not worry because this will not be increasing the price at all for your Discord Nitro, which means yes, you're paying the same price and you're getting an extra Xbox Game Pass included with that price. Not just that, but you also will be getting some discounts included with Logitech products, so you are getting some benefits. But what if you are someone that is on an Xbox console and you already use Xbox Game Pass? Well, you will also be getting a benefit from this whole new deal. Now, if you are someone that already has Xbox Game Pass on the console, you will also be getting some benefits, including 250 gems. You get a 1.25 time booster when it comes to completing quests, and you'll also get discounts on the Nitro shop for Discord. So you are getting some benefits. Now, by the time of recording, they are going to be adding more in the future, so do keep in mind you'll get some more features in the future eventually. But so far, these will be coming in effect at the end of the month, so yes, you'll soon have all these benefits coming very soon. But otherwise, leave them in the comments below. What are your thoughts on this whole collaboration between Discord and Xbox? And do you think this will possibly lead to something big between these two brands? But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Peace out as always. Have a good day onwards. Bye.